Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Of course, it's Emmanuel here and I'm here with another video on waves. So wave, of course, wave wallet on SU, we have a very big announcement, and of course you are going to be excited. For those of you who have been here waiting for listing and everything, so in this video I'm going to be dropping the bomb that wave dropped on us, and of course I will be doing the price prediction for wave wallet. Of course, you will be very excited for this because I know if you actually mind this project very well, you are going to make a couple of money. Let me just not say a lot. You are going to make some money, good money from it. So firstly, with pre-sale, they actually said whitelist access is for people who minted the NFT, Genesis NFT and the WOG NFT. So I have the WOG NFT and I think I do have the Genesis NFT as well. So that's the people that the pre-sale will be available for. So I might actually participate in the pre-sale, so it will be coming up very soon. So I don't know why a lot of people just react laughter to all this posts. It's really crazy. So if you come to this place, they said snapshot has been taken. This was taken on the 17th, and we are proud to share our latest milestone for Wave, underscoring our rapid growth. Okay, so they said 3 million plus wallets engaged with Wave and End Wave. So the total users was around 3 million, 3.6 million. So 3.6 million, and currently they have just about let me just show you the monthly users. Currently they have just about 721,000 monthly users, which of course is an improvement from the last time, which was about 500,000 monthly users, which was very good because a lot of persons were mining, of course. So if you come back here to group, they said 1.2 million peak on chain DAO. That's basically on chain transaction, daily transaction was at 1.2 million. That was the highest they got to. So they said recognized as the #1 app. So I don't want to go into these details. Of course, we know that Waves is building something. This is what I came for. So Waves listing is around the corner, and in my previous video I actually showed you guys the the economics. Of course, in this video I'll be going in more details, and I'll be showing you guys why the listing price will be at the point where I actually said the listing price will be. Like in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys that. So just stay tuned, watch to the very end. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe. Please kindly do that. Very, very important. It will help us grow and of course reach more. And you can also join our WhatsApp community where I drop very detailed analysis of this airdrop. So you see that in a few. So basically, they said Wave powering the AI enhanced trading on Sui. So okay, that aside, this is the tokenomics. Of course, Wave is the native token of Wave World, designed to be the fuel for the ecosystem. The name of the token, name of the coin is Wave token. The ticker, which is like the symbol, is Wave. The chain is Sui. Maximum or the total supply is basically 1 billion. So let me just show you what the tokenomics is about. In the previous video I said the community will be having about a total of 20, I think 25%, and if you come here and check, basically the community has 15% and airdrop season 1 is 10%, meaning that there will be another season for the airdrop and they will become mining. So private round, this is for private investors, of course, is about 12%. That's people that will buy in. Public round is about 1.5% of the total supply, and the team will have about 9.5%, which will be invested for a certain period of time. And even for this one also, for the airdrop, they said there will be linear vesting for, I think, 4 months after the TG. Basically 20% of your airdrop will be released on TG. So if you think I'm lying or think you're doubting me, basically just come to this place and you actually read more about the tokenomics, of course. So 20% of your airdrop will be released on TG. Let's say your allocation that was given, maybe you have 2,000 and it was converted to like 200, let's say, for a 1:10. What they will be basically giving you is I think 20% of 200. 20% of 200. So it's 20% of 200 basically. So that's what they'll be giving you. And 20% of 200 is 40. 20% of 200 is 40, of course. So they'll be giving you 40 for each month for the next 4 months after TGE, starting from the TGE date, which will make it a total of 5. So see, this is basically token vesting, and as you can see, they said 10% will be released at TGE for seed round. That's for people that bought during the investment period. Basically, that's just where it is. You can read the details. There is right on the channel, so you can just go there and read the details. So now it's time for the price prediction. So I'm going to go to my WhatsApp community to show you guys a detailed analysis I did there with the help of CoinGecko. So coming here, I posted this and a couple of persons, someone reacted funny, so I had to like try to clear some head because they think that I'm overhyping this project. So I said, considering the fact that a lot of airdrops is backed by SU tend to do very well and have very little community compared to Tom blockchain. Of course, as you can see right there, Tom blockchain projects, most of them have an average of about 15 million monthly users, 10 million, 5 million monthly users. Those Telegram projects that are actually backed by Tom, that's usually the average that they have. And this screenshot was taken from CoinGecko. Of course, this is NS, which is SUI name service. It listed, I think, about a month ago or so, or 3 months ago. So that's what it listed. And the all-time high is 0.5. The total supply is 500 million, and the circulating supply is 155 million. So the fully diluted valuation is this, and the current price is at a very low point right now. The current price is at a very low point. It's about 0.14, 0.13. So if we come to this next one, Navi listed around, I think it's around May, June, or July of last year. So basically, okay, it listed early last year. I don't remember the exact time, but it listed early last year. The all-time low was 0.03. The all-time high was 0.4, and currently is trading at 0.07. So if you check here, the total supply is 1 billion. The circulating supply, on the other hand, is around 459 million. So as you can see, the market cap dropped to 34. So this token, as you can see, there is a price pattern. It's currently trading at 0. Okay, so it's currently trading at 0.007. This other one is currently trading at 0.14. So this one, Citus, of course, listed last year as well, and it's currently trading at 0.1. So if you see the pattern, this is 1 billion, this is 1 billion, and the circulating supply is about 585 million. The circulating supply is about 459 million. So considering this fact and the fact that about just 10% of wave will be actually circulating on the listing day, or let's assume that 20%, which means that about 200 million will be circulating on the listing day. And also considering this fact that, okay, of course, we know that on the listing day, the price will be very high and the market cap will be high, but I'll be using this market cap to actually calculate. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, I'll be using the average of all the market caps. This is 34 million, this is 68 million, and this is 21 million. Okay, so 34, 68, 24, 24. Okay, 21 plus 34 plus 68. So let me just check that. Okay, so divided by 2. So I'll be using $61 million to actually use as the market cap, dividing by the circulating supply of about 200 million. Okay. So I'm going to say this. I know this is kind of outrageous, but firstly, you should know that they will convert your wave points to the wave token, considering the fact that the wave community will only be having about 250 million, and on an average I'm seeing a couple of persons having 200,000 wave points, 100,000 wave points. So it means that the ratio will probably be 1:10. So you divide your balance by 10. Let's say you have 20,000, divide 20,000 by 10, you have 2,000, and multiply by the listing price of 0.3 that I calculated. That's about $600. That's about $600 on listing. So let's say 20% of this 2,000 allocation that will be given to you on listing is about 400. 400 times 5 is 2,000. Okay, so you now multiply this by the 0.3 listing price that I predicted. That's about $120. Okay, let's say you have up to 30,000. Of course, that's 3,000. By 20% of this 3,000 is 600. Multiplied by the 0.3 on the listing date is about 180. So my price prediction is that it will fall within the range of, the listing price will fall within the range of 0.1 to 0.5. Okay, 0.1 to 0.5. So 0.1, 0.5 minus 0.1, I'm going to do the average of the two, is 0.2. So most probably this might be the listing price. So I'm not saying, but that's basically what the listing price will fall within. So multiply by someone that has 30,000, that's $120 every month for 5 months. That's 4 months after TG. That's a linear vesting. Linear vesting in the sense that they're going to give you within this specified period of time, and there will be no increment or anything attached to it. So basically you're just getting back your balance. So that is what you'll be getting, 120 times 5. But don't multiply by 5 years, because the more the circulating supply increases, the lower the value drops. The value will drop, and if the circulating supply is little, the value will rise because the demand will be very high. So that's just basically what this is all about. So this is all for this video, and if you haven't joined our WhatsApp community yet, please kindly do that. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and see you on the next one.